So when I got back from the track, I noticed that I had a nice little nail in my tire. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix a puncture when you got a nail in your tire. It's actually in the shoulder, which is kind of between the tire tread and the sidewall. So I'm hoping I can fix it. The nail's like straight in. Yeah, let's just check it out, I guess. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today's video is going to be a little different. It's FPV related-ish, but I'm going to show you guys how to fix a hole in your tire. Because when I came back from the track the other day, I noticed that I had a nail deep inside my tire. And I suspect it came from there because it's a little rough over there. So the nail's been in it. It hasn't been losing air. It's kind of just like perfectly seated in there. But I'll show you guys. It's like kind of between the tread and the sidewall, which I know sidewall damage is like serious, but this is like kind of off to the side. So I figured I'll make a video out of it. We're gonna fix it. And if you care and you want to learn something, stick around. I got my assistant with me. Jennifer Lawrence, you ready? Come on. She's in no rush. No rush. All right, so according to this, we're gonna pull out the nail. The tire's gonna go flat. Thankfully, I have an air pump here. Insert reamer tool into the hole, slide it up and down to roughen it inside to clean the hole. Blah. I think I just need to do it very carefully. So let's see how we do here. Got our tire plugs. That's the inserter doohickey. Rubber cement. And the other thingy to clean it. Okay, now this feels wrong. Okay, definitely not losing it. Just jam that in there for now. Oh, with a coat of rubber cement. It says to coat this thing with rubber cement. Apparently, I don't know why they would give you a tool where it doesn't actually fit. Okay, Well, apparently that's in there. It's about 2/3. Let's see what else it says here. 2/3 of the way in. Pulled the needle straight out with a rapid motion. Did that. Cut off the excess. Okay. I can do that. I can do that. And I've got to say, it looks pretty good. I'm just gonna coat it with some more, cut my thumb. I'm gonna coat it with some more rubber cement, and then I'll cut this bit off and we'll see how we do. All right, we are back. We got the very important assistant, Pennifer. Penny here. I like to call her Pennifer. I don't know why, but she's just so freaking cute. She's a good assistant. And yeah, this seems to be holding. I got the snips. Let's trim this baby. Hit it with the rubber cement. Honestly, I'm not gonna go nuts. I just want the tire to be okay. That's all I care about. This is a relatively new tire. Okay, so we've got the rubber cement done. Tire's looking pretty good. It seems to be holding air, which is great. I'm gonna let it dry. I gotta give it some time. And then I'm gonna come back with the soapy water and we'll do a little test, make sure it's holding air. Then I'll do a final fill up, and then we'll drive it and make sure we don't get any lights. Okay, it's the moment of truth. Let's see how we've held up. We are nice and dry. Looks solid to me. That's a good indicator. I only lost 4 PSI in doing the work. All right, guys, so the tire appears to be fixed. I'm pretty happy with the way it came out, but time will tell. We'll have to drive on it. We're gonna be doing some local trips, so we're gonna keep an eye on it, make sure everything looks good, make sure we don't see any oddities with it. If there are any weird issues, we're absolutely going to bring it into a tire shop to have it looked at or replaced. But I just couldn't drive around with a nail in my tire anymore. It was just too freaky. So yeah, so I don't recommend people necessarily do this fix. I know it's in a questionable spot on the shoulder, but my judgment and my gut is telling me that this is more or less going to be okay, at least for now. So temporary fix, definitely not a long-term fix. And yeah, if you need to do a tire plug kit, it is a lot easier than I thought it would be. But they say that you're supposed to only really use it on the tread part of your tire. So if you get a nail right through the tread, this is like the perfect kit for it. And yeah, so I know it's not completely FPV related, but like I said, I'm pretty damn sure I got that nail in the tire at the track. So if you stuck around this long, I appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys very soon.